All right, so there's that. The other thing before we do the leaves, I want to do a little chimney because it's a little house, right? So I've got some, it's kind of a rust-colored fondant. So it's red and brown mixed together. Ball again, then roll it back and forth this way a little bit. Take this to get more of the fondant paddle to get a smoother finish there. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to take the paddle, I want to flatten it down this way, and then this way, kind of this way, and go in here. And I probably want it a little bit taller than the stem. Well, let's see. Yeah, I can actually squish it this way a little bit more, make it a little fatter. I'd like it a little wider that way. So you just keep doing it till you get the shape you want. See, kind of like that, a little wider. Okay, so when you get the shape you want, this is where the texturing mats come in. So I could just take this, and I'll do the side here first, and then the other side, and then this will be the back, and then I'll pick it up and do the front. Let's do the front last because obviously when I push this down it's going to get rid of some of the other detail on the sides. Okay, so it's going to take another skewer. Probably use the same one here. I'll actually put it in this time. And it's okay if it comes out the top. Actually, I'm going to need a longer one. I need it to come out the top. Oh, that's tall enough, though. What I want is a little smokestack, so. Looks like when I did it, I lost a lot of my impression. Let's see if I can kind of redo it. Be great if I had two of these, then I could push in the back and the front at the same time. I guess I could bend it, but then I might crack it. Okay, I just pushed it forward. Cool. Okay, so there's that. Then we're going to want a little bit of smoke coming out, right, because we got the fire going. So I'll take some white fondant. Knead it up just a little, roll it into a ball. Looks like I've got that burgundy color or cop on my hands. Okay, and then put my hands in a V shape and start to roll. I want it to be more of a point at the top. Okay, and then just kind of adjust it. It's going to be like smoke. So place it over the top. And it's just sticking. I'm not using any water. If it's a little drier where you are, you may need to use a little bit more water to make it stick. And then you just kind of play around with it and get it however you want it to look, really. Twist it around if you want. Go like in a little bit here and a little thicker down here. Okay, smoke coming out the top.